Hi guys, welcome back, or more likely to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Ipsy unbagging, and this is for the month of April, and we are only 1 month behind. This is quite an achievement for myself, as I am normally, as evidenced by previous videos, 4 months behind. The first thing we have is the bag here, which I apparently have matched my nails to accidentally. It's a cute little bag. It's got like this faux wooden... In the bag I did get this blush brush from Shania B Miami, which has cute little flamingos on it. That's adorable. So that was nice. Let's take a look, see what's in the bag. So the first thing in the bag is this Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. It says it's an all-natural, paraben-free, phthalate-free, USA made. And it's got, oh no, I just kind of popped. What? So it just is interesting. Oh. It's like a really jelly sort of texture, and it smells, it's very soft though. Ooh, it's super soft feeling, which is kind of nice, but it's a really cool container. I don't know what this would do for me, but it says it has vitamin C in it, so that's a thing. The next thing that I have in here is called Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Now this is for under eyes to lift dark shadows, firm skin, reduce and smooth puffiness. So that's kind of cool. We could all, well, I could definitely use some under eye adjustments for sure, but ooh, that's primer slippery. I think it's cool. Next up we have oh my god, another vitamin C serum. This one says it's to help brighten, revitalize and hydrate the skin. Use after cleansing and toning. If used during the day, put sunscreen on. Interesting, 2 vitamin C related products. The last thing that I got in my box, I'm pretty sure is the thing that I chose for April. It is a Colie concealer, and I got mine in the shade Light, and I chose this one because I have seen people talking about Colie like online and stuff, and it seemed quite interesting. And it's pretty soft. Like, here is the color, and it kind of blends in. Ooh, I like it. It's very like hydrating feeling. Ooh, I'm gonna like that a lot. I really like hydrating primers and stuff, and it really did like smooth and blur my hand a little bit. So I'm very excited about that. That is everything that I got in my Ipsy this month. I'm overall pretty excited. I'm a little disappointed that the only makeup item I got was the one from Colie, which I know is not like a super expensive brand, but I did choose it, so I mean, I can't complain really, I guess, about that. But I'm kind of weird that we got a cream, basically a primer, lotion, and then another vitamin C. So I don't know, I'm kind of weird. The bottles are all kind of small this month. I'm a little about it, but I'm still pretty excited about everything to give it a try. And the bag is fairly cute. So that is my Ipsy for this month. If you do like Ipsy unbaggings and other random video assortments, I do a lot of coffee drinks and other things. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other social media links down below, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!